Ever wondered how your cells remember to perform their tasks? The answer lies in the CREB cycle. Now you may be thinking, what's the CREB cycle? Well, let's dive into this fascinating world. The CREB cycle refers to the role of a cellular transcription factor known as CAMP response element binding protein, or simply CREB. This protein plays an instrumental role in various cellular processes, acting somewhat like an orchestra conductor for your cells. It's involved in cell growth, orchestrating the development and expansion of cells. But that's not all. It's also a key player in memory formation, helping your brain to store and retrieve information. And let's not forget its role in metabolism, where it regulates glucose and lipid metabolism, ensuring your body's energy levels are well balanced. So in essence, the CREB cycle is not a traditional cycle, but an essential pathway in cellular signaling. Now that we know what the CREB cycle is, let's delve into how it works. The cycle begins with the activation of CREB. This activation is triggered by phosphorylation, primarily through the cyclic adenosine monophosphate or CAMP pathway. When CAMP levels rise, protein kinase A or pKa is activated. pKa then phosphorylates CREB, essentially flipping its on switch. Once activated, CREB takes on the role of a molecular key, binding to specific DNA sequences called CAMP response elements, or CRE. This binding leads to the transcription of genes crucial for cell survival, differentiation, and metabolism. But where does the CREB cycle really shine? In the brain, it's instrumental for the formation of long-term memories. In metabolism, it steers the expression of genes involved in gluconeogenesis in the liver and the regulation of fatty acid metabolism. Thus, the CREB cycle plays a crucial role in our survival and well-being. You might be wondering, can we influence the CREB cycle? The answer is yes, to some extent with the help of dietary supplements. Let's take a couple of examples. Nicotinamide adenine dinucleotide, or NAD+, is a coenzyme found in all living cells. It's essential for energy production and influences the activation of proteins that modulate the activity of transcription factors like CREB. Boosting NAD+ levels might indirectly affect CREB activity by enhancing cellular energy status, potentially influencing memory, metabolism, and cellular stress responses. Another supplement, L-carnitine, is involved in the transport of fatty acids into mitochondria for energy production. Its role in improving mitochondrial function could create a favorable metabolic environment that indirectly supports the functions regulated by CREB. Other supplements that improve cellular energy status or have neuroprotective effects might also influence CREB activity indirectly. While these supplements may not directly interact with the CREB pathway, they create conditions that support optimal functioning of CREB-related processes. So, we have journeyed through the fascinating world of the CREB cycle and its influences on our health. Starting from the activation of the CREB protein through phosphorylation, we've seen how it binds to specific DNA sequences, leading to the transcription of genes that play critical roles in cell survival, differentiation, and metabolism. We delved into CREB's pivotal role in forming long-term memories and regulating metabolism, influencing the expression of genes involved in gluconeogenesis in the liver and the regulation of fatty acid metabolism. Our exploration also brought us to the influence of supplements like NAD+ and L-carnitine on the CREB cycle. While they may not directly interact with the CREB signaling pathway, they support optimal CREB-related processes by improving cellular health, energy production, and reducing oxidative stress. Remember, the CREB cycle is a complex but crucial aspect of our biology. And as always, consult with healthcare professionals when considering supplements related to the CREB cycle. Until next time, keep exploring the magic within your cells.